Defining your career goals.
Before selecting a programming certification, consider your long-term career objectives. Are you aiming to be a web developer, a data analyst, or enter software engineering? Identifying your ideal role helps narrow down which certifications will be most relevant and valuable, ensuring your efforts lead you toward your target position in the tech industry.
Researching industry requirements.
Look into job descriptions in your field of interest to discover which programming certifications employers commonly seek. For example, roles in cloud computing may value AWS or Azure certifications, while positions in data science often prefer Python or R credentials. Matching your choice to industry demand increases your chances of landing your desired job.
Evaluating certification content and level.
Examine what each certification covers and its level of difficulty. Some are beginner-friendly and foundational, while others require advanced knowledge. Assess whether the topics align with your current skill level and learning needs. Choosing a certification that matches your experience ensures you learn effectively and can confidently meet assessment requirements.
Considering cost and time commitment.
Programming certifications vary in price and required preparation time. Research the fees, recommended study duration, and available resources for each. Weigh these factors against your personal schedule and budget. Opt for a certification you can realistically complete without undue stress or financial strain, so you make steady progress toward your goals.
Assessing recognition and career impact.
Not all certifications carry equal weight. Investigate whether a certification is widely recognized and respected by employers in your desired field. Read reviews and see how past holders have benefited. Select one with a strong reputation and proven career impact to ensure your investment of time and money pays off in advancing your opportunities.